If you're a content creator, then you know we're living in a golden age for making awesome stuff online. But here's the thing, cranking out videos, it's a grind. Time, energy, and don't even get me started on coming up with fresh ideas. Enter Hypernatural, a slick AI platform that lets anyone, and I mean anyone, whip up super cool videos in a snap. We're talking animated captions, AI-generated images, and killer effects. The best part, you can knock it out in just a few minutes. So whether you're a small business owner, marketing guru, podcast pro, social media influencer, educator, or any type of storyteller in general, Hypernatural has got your back. So right now, let's see how this works. So here we are at hypernatural.ai. This is a site that you can sign up for free. So let me go ahead and sign in. From here, you can see a number of different types of video projects that you can use hypernatural.ai for, but I'm going to start all the way to the right. I'm going to choose this first one, this first storytelling project that says start with an idea. So obviously, step one is to share your idea. My idea is going to be the history of Pokemon cards. Great topic, right? So after I share this idea, I'll be provided with 3 different topics that were created instantly through AI. And let me just go ahead and select this one. And once you select an idea, the next thing that you'll notice is just like in ChatGPT, Hypernatural is going to write the script for you. And here it is. Now, if you don't like parts of the script or you want to make edits, you can just easily click inside this text box and you can change anything that you want. You can delete words, you can add words, you can make this longer or shorter. It's totally up to you. And you can see at the bottom as well is it will give you an estimated duration, which is going to be important if you want to create like a 60-second YouTube Shorts video or a video that has a particular time limit. Now, after you're done, the next thing you can do is select one of the many narrators that are available in Hypernatural. So if I scroll down, you can see there's a lot of different choices in terms of AI voices that you can use. There's also some brief descriptors at the bottom, those hashtags that kind of give you an idea of what they might sound like. Now, if you want to actually hear what they sound like, you just select them and you can click on this little volume button that will play back what their AI voice will sound like.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness.
Okay, so I think that one sounds good. Of course, if I wanted to go in and check out, preview a few other voices, I could do that. But I'm just going to select continue. And now what I'll need to do is to select the type of media that I want to create. So again, this says TikTok, Instagram post. Now I can keep all of these off and just select this one that says don't know yet. And I can change this later. But for this one, let me just go ahead. I'll just say TikTok post and I'm going to select continue. And this is the real interesting part because from here there are many different styles that you can select if you want. There's that button up above that says do not generate images. You don't need to generate images. But I want to because I think this is going to save me a lot of time. But what happens if you can't find the style that you're looking for? Well, Hypernatural has you covered with this option, Custom Style, at the bottom. With Custom Style, you can upload a photo and Hypernatural will generate that style for you. So here is my Pokemon photo. You can see that Hypernatural is viewing the photo and it gives us a description and a style. So all of the images that will be generated in this anime Pokemon style. My next step is selecting the text that I want. I'll just take this text and I'm going to select continue. And this is the last step, which will kind of put everything together. It really only takes about 30 seconds to get your video ready. All right, our video is done. You can see how quick that was. I said 30 seconds. It was probably closer to 10. But this is the preview. And what's nice about Hypernatural is that after it generates the video for you, you can go in and make any changes that you want. But let's preview a couple seconds of this by selecting the play button.
The enchanting world of Pokemon cards emerged from the Japanese company Nintendo in the late 90s, invading fingers of enthusiastic children and collectors worldwide, reaching unimaginable peaks of popularity. A simple trading card game became a phenomenon.
So you get an idea of how that works. Now, if I want to change anything like the text in here, it is possible to select the text, select edit, and then change the text that is at the bottom with these animated titles. Now, the one thing about these images here is that if you find that one of the generated images isn't to your liking, you want to change it, it's not quite what you want for there is an option. If you go right over here to where it says generated images, you can select this button and you can regenerate an image that you want, maybe one that works better for the text. The other thing you could do is also upload your own content to this option that says uploaded media, or there's an option where you can add animated GIFs to a certain part of your video as well. So lots of options. Once your video is generated, you do have an option to further customize it. Those are just a few options. There's a lot of other things as well, but I just want to give you a basic understanding of how this works. Now, we talked earlier about knowing your format. You can easily change your format. This is more of like an Instagram square post. This is your typical 16:9 video format. So once you generate your video, you do have options to change it. But what I want to do is to go right over here to the top and select export. And this is where you can select again how you want this to be exported. There's a couple different ways you could do this. There is a way that you can share this as a link, but what I want to do instead is select this option that says Start Export, and I want to be able to export this video so that I can upload it on to TikTok. And here it is. Let me play just again a couple seconds.
As it engulfed generation after generation with its wonderful myths and beautiful creatures.
So that is pretty much it. The website is hypernatural.ai. It's really cool. It helps you make videos fast, and I think it's going to make your life as a content creator a lot easier. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment area below.